Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox something different, which is this. So I bought this from one of my local shop. Let me just show it to you this way because the place is very small for me. So this is the Marvel Avengers that Iron Man Armor Up Launcher edition. So I really like this because it has this two sets of armor for this car and everything, and it has this ramp and this launcher and everything. It looked really cool. Even the car looked really nice, so I just bought it. So I bought it for 1,000 rupees. I think that is a MRP. I mean that's the original MRP, I guess. That's what they mentioned here. So I bought it. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks, because I bought it before some time back, like I think at least a couple of months back. I really didn't open it because I wanted to unbox it in front of you guys. Okay, so here it is. Let me just take this one out. Okay, here is the launcher, and okay, here is the arm, I guess. Here is the ramp. So the cars are on the top here. Let me just remove it, guys. I'm not sure whether I will be able to show everything on screen, because again the place which I'm using here is very less, so don't mistake me for that. Just trying to show as much as possible. I'm not sure how they wanted to open this. I'm just going to rip it out because I don't have that much patience. First of all, let me just rip this thing out. Okay, here are the armors. Let me put this aside. Okay, that is pure plastic. Let me take out the car. Yeah, here it is. Okay, let me just throw this away. Okay, so let me just adjust the camera a little bit. Okay, got it. So let's see what they are asking us to do now. Okay, so now, okay, we got all these things. We need to mount this on the launcher. Okay, and then apply and then click on all these things. Okay, fine. Okay, and there is a rubber band required. I think the older set which I actually had, it had the rubber band as well. So I'm just hoping that this would. Okay, let's look at the car first. Okay, so the car does look really nice, but since it's a very old pack and it was sitting in the shelf for so long, it has a lot of scratches here. And okay, the design looks really nice. The vinyl and everything looks really nice. It doesn't have any tail light details, but you can see the exhaust, which looks like kind of Lamborghini, style here. So the chassis is plastic. So the body is fully metal actually, if you guys are wondering. This looks really nice. I'm really happy actually I got this. Okay, let me just put this aside. Let's see the armor once. So this is the normal armor, I guess. There is one more red armor which I will show you. Yeah, here is the red one. So this one is a normal, I mean this one is a Iron Man armor. I think this one is from oh my god, I forgot his name. War Machine's armor, I guess. Okay, let's put this aside and let's try to fix. I think this will work. Okay, that's how you do it. Got it. Okay, let's assemble this real quick. I don't want to take so much time on these things. Okay, I think this way. Got it. That's it. So you need to push this like this, and there's a clip here. put the armor in, clip it here, and you can see this latches here. This is to hold the rest of the armor, if you are not using it. Okay, let's put the ramp. Okay, let me show you the ramp here. See, these are actually fully plastic. There is nothing much going on here. So everything here is plastic. You need this rubber band to work, to make this work. I'm not sure why they wanted a, they could have just went with a spring, right? Instead of a rubber band mechanism. Because okay, but one thing I can, I am happy with this, if you are, if this rubber band melts out, I think this one is melting out a little bit here. If the rubber band melts out or if it trips apart, it is very cheap to replace it with another rubber band compared to using a spring. Okay, let's put this here. I'm not sure how it is going to jump out. Okay, let me just, okay, so now it is loaded. I want to load one. Okay, let's start with this armor. Why? Okay. I'm not sure how this armor is going to clip here. I think that's about it. See, it is not that strong of a jar to hold. Okay, let me just try this. How it is supposed to work. Okay, I think I did it. Okay, let me just leave it here. Okay, now it is suited up. Now let's do the launch. Okay, I'm just putting my hand here. Let me just put my hand here and see. Let me just pull it back. It's going to push it down now. Let's see. Okay, it did went up. I just stopped it with my hand. You can see the armor here, right? It is just latched onto the car. Okay, it actually clicks properly, which is really nice. Okay, see, this is not really that useful if you ask me. It is, even though I think this is spring loaded. Yeah, this is spring loaded. It is not really latching up the armor really well. Let me show you. Maybe I need to push it with the force, I guess. Think so. Yeah, so I need to put the car somewhere around here, so that like in this place, so that it will actually latch onto the car. Okay, let me just shoot up one more time. Let's see if, let me just, that is really nice actually. I never had these kind of things when I was a kid, so it makes me I don't know, maybe happy, or and I'm not sure what to say, but yeah, it does make me happy a little bit. Yeah, I'm not going to deny that. Okay, so I'm not sure whether I'm going to keep it as it is or I'm going to remove and keep it inside. So I need to look on that, because if I'm removing this, I'm not sure where I'm going to keep this particular part. Not sure if there is any way. Let me just try to put the armors. Okay, let me just put this armor on the car and see how this one looks. Okay, it does look similar, but at least the armor looks nice. I really wish they came up with a lot of things like this. This one is really nice. I mean, the latch up armor and everything, which is really cool. Okay, let me just, maybe as of now I'm just going to keep it as it is. Once I find a way to keep it somewhere, then I will do that. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.